We have worked thousands of hours to give our customers the very best. We just received some great feedback from a customer, and we wanted to share it with the world. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and a new customer who reads 5-star reviews is a wise customer because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star customer service. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away as a very satisfied customer. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.